Back at it again with another one. And today we're looking at the Nasdaq. It's currently Monday, so there's nothing really going on, but that doesn't mean we can't just pre-mark our charts and anticipate certain moves for the rest of the week. So that's precisely what we're going to do today on this session. I'm just going to run you through my process from the weekly time frame all the way down to lower time frames and such, and then we'll be able to take it forth from there. For me, usually when I begin, I like to start off on the hourly, the weekly time frame. Just mark out the closest pool of liquidity that I can expect us to run through. So as you can see, I've marked out the previous all-time high actually. That's at a level of 22,440.75, give or take. Might not be the full one, but let's say 450, right? The accurate or actual one is 44850, but we'll just leave it there for now, right? 448. That's 44850. Just to confirm, you can see I'm hovering on that down close candle over there, and then I'm taking a look at that top side there to just give me the actual figure of what it is, and it's 44850, right? 44850. Perfect. Now we have that marked out on the higher time frame, be it the weekly. That's currently our draw. What has us looking for a bullish, bearish, or bias, of course, is now you can see from last week's candle movement was quite significant, and we had a strong close up through and above a previous high. So it's safe to assume that price is still going to continue in that direction. And one thing we can look for is for price to head through and take out those highs. Now that we're done on the weekly, we then scroll down to the daily time frame, arguably one of the more important ones, and just look for areas of support and such, and where we could be looking to reach up to. All right. I'm obviously just gonna my favorite icon, the eye. That's what we're looking at. You know what I'm saying? Those highs over there. Previous all-time high. That's currently the level we're looking at price to trade down into or trade up to. Automatically looking at how we took out yesterday or the previous day. This is Friday's candle. This is Monday's candle. Seeing how we took out the high, we can probably expect price CRT or price to make its way to the downside, as this is the on the daily time frame. This is the cleanest or the lowest fair value gap that we can see. So I'm just gonna start by doing that like so. Change the key maybe to 3, just so that we know that okay, that is a fair value gap on the daily time frame, and that would be the level where we'd be looking at price hitting for us to enter a long. Not too hard at all, pretty straightforward. I like how this fair value gap lines up with this order block here on the daily, right? So this area here, you can see the high of this lines up with the high of or the open price of that candle or order block over there. So I really like this area as a launch pad for us to come through, do our thing from there, and then hit there, go up, and then head up to the top side. That's what I'm personally looking for or expecting to happen. Be that not today, probably tomorrow though. Since like I said, today's a bank holiday, and then tomorrow we have news coming on. Then the rest of the week we should we should see some movement, but looking at it from weekly to daily, weekly that give us our bullish. You got our drawn liquidity, which is on the high end side of things, and then on the daily we looked at our potential area of support, which is that daily fair value gap over there. I'm just gonna quickly scroll down to a 4 hour, see what else is there. Okay, 4 hour, here we are. For me, I feel like perhaps we could go as low as there on the 4 hour. Not sure yet, but we'll see what happens. It's currently Monday, like I said, bank holiday. Nothing's really going on. So today we're not gonna risk capital. Nor are we going to participate. We're just gonna watch, observe, and see what happens. But from the top-down analysis, from the weekly down to the daily, down to the 4 hourly, could get a turtle soup, take out that low over there, or reach as down low as that fair value gap over there, which also coincides with the midway point of that daily fair value gap. But currently, that's the level that I personally will be watching moving into tomorrow. And yeah, who knows? Maybe price will even come down and touch it today. You never know with these things. But yeah, that's the forecast on our side in terms of Nasdaq. Thank God for the skill, and we'll talk more if there's changes.